Hello there, welcome again to this new tutorial where we are going to be learning how to sell on Facebook Marketplace for beginners. So you simply go to facebook.com and basically you need to log into your account, and you don't need to even be on your Facebook page. You can simply be on your Facebook No More account. And then once you are on your Facebook account, you notice that on the left hand side we have your details, and somewhere we have the word marketplace, like at the center of the page. Then at the top here again, we have home, we have friends, we have videos, and then we have marketplace again. So you can use either the marketplace here or the marketplace on the other side here. So you simply click on that marketplace, and then to begin with, let us just quickly look at how to buy an item. Then we can look at how to sell an item. So you will come to this left hand side at the search button here, so that you can search for the item that you want to buy. And when you look at the page here, you notice we have so many items already that have been added. So all these items are on sale. But maybe you want a specific item. Instead of coming here and scrolling, you simply come at the search button there, and then you type the item there. So for instance, I've just typed a laptop. So I type laptop there, and then I can click on search or enter. So you now notice we have laptops all over this side. So let's say for instance, I want to buy the first item here. I'll click on that item. That's the first laptop. But before you make a purchase, simply come to the right hand side and look at the details of the seller. So if I scroll down here, I get the details about my laptop. If I scroll this side, I notice we have several images of the laptop, like 3 of them. But then on this side, this is where now I get more details about the seller. So here we have the seller who joined in 2023. If now I click on seller details, you notice the seller does not have any ratings yet. And so this may not be the best place or the best person to buy from. We are not saying the person is not genuine, but then with ratings, it gives some credibility to your account. And how you get ratings, you simply make a sale and request the person you sold to give a rating about your account. You can simply come here, down here, and then you type the message. Maybe is this laptop still available? You type the message down here, and then you click on send, and then you are able now to discuss the details further with the seller, and then you can strike the deal, and then you can now buy. But let's come to the other side. What if you want to be the seller? If you want to sell an item, you still do the same. So you simply come to marketplace, and then on this side you notice we have browse all, notifications, inbox, buying and selling. Now we want to be the seller. So under seller here, if you click on that selling, so that we can create a new listing. So once you click on that and click on create new listing, you can select either you want to sell an item, a vehicle, or property for sale or rent. You select one of these. So we want to sell an item. So you'll click on items for sale, and then it will bring you to the preview page where now you add the details about your item, so that our item will appear just like the item we saw when we wanted to buy. So you come to this left hand side. This is where you add photos, and you can add up to 10 photos, and you need to select photos that best describe what you are selling. So let's say I'm selling just an item. Let me select just a random picture of a forest. Maybe it's a wall painting. So I select that from my PC, and there is our image. It has been added. So you simply click here, add photo. You can add a second photo. Click on add photo, takes you to your PC, select the photo that you want to add, and then you just click on open, and then it will be added. Then down here, you give the title of the item that you are selling. It has to be as descriptive as possible. So I want to describe this maybe as a wall hanging or nature wall hanging. You just give it a nice description, maybe a nature wall hanging, whatever it is, you just give it the name there. Then the price, this is just the price. How much are you going to be selling that at? and then you select the category here. Is it a tool, furniture, household, garden, appliance? Is it for entertainment? You select the one that best describes the item that you are selling. In this case, I'm just going to put it under art and craft category. And then down here, you decide on the category. And just like we were looking at when buying an item, you now select yours here. So is this item used, like new, or is it used and good, used and fair, and all that? So we are going to click on new. This is a new item. And then down here, you can add more details to attract more interest by including more details. So the brand, maybe it's called the JMN brand. Then the description, you describe the item here, nature wall hanging with this background, with all this, whatever it is, you just describe it there. And then under listing or availability, you can list as a single item down here, or you can list as in stock. If you're selling more than one item, you show in stock on your listing. So we are going to list as a single item, and then you can now add the product tags. It's important to select the right tags here because this may make your item to be quickly visible. So maybe I'm going to call this one wall hanging. Then I add nature wall hanging just to make sure that I am as close as possible to what potential customers may look at or may look for. Maybe nature photo. You just keep on adding your tags here until you are satisfied. Then once you do that, you can come to the location. Where is this product located? So you can type your city here. In this case, I'll type Nakuru city, and then you can now select the meeting or meet up preferences. Do you want to meet in public, or that's public meeting, or door pickup, or drop off? Whatever you want to do with this item, maybe you want to be dropping it off to the people, or you want a public meetup and deliver. So whatever it is, you can select on any one of that. And then once you are through with that, you come down here and click on next down here. So, and then now your object details are added on this side. You notice we have a wall hanging or a nature wall hanging at this price. New, the brand is this, the details are here, the tags are here, the map for the location is here within Nakuru. And then once you are satisfied with that, you are going to click on publish. And with that, your item has been published, and now it will be visible to the people on Facebook. So if now I click on seller dashboard, you notice here we have active and pending because we have already sent an item to our listing, and here it is. So we have active and pending. If anything needs attention, it will be here. So that's how you add an item. If now you want to remove your item, for instance, we have added our nature wall hanging here, and we possibly want to remove it for whatever reason, you come to the item here under seller dashboard, and then on these three dots, you click on that, and then you click on delete listing. And if possibly you don't want to delete, you want to edit and change a few things, you click on edit listing. So that is basically how you sell on Facebook Marketplace for beginners. I hope this has been helpful. Kindly like this video, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.